Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to fix a common issue when using calendar integration in your planner. I'll be demonstrating this on an iPad and a Samsung tablet as well. In my previous tutorial, I showed you how to add bands to Apple Calendar or Google Calendar. The workflow was simple. Write down your event details on the daily page, copy them, tap a time slot to open the calendar composer, and then paste. But not long ago, you might notice that the paste option is no longer showing up. This is likely due to newer system updates with stricter privacy controls around clipboard access. So here are two simple ways to fix it. I'll demonstrate this in GoodNotes on iPad, but the same idea applies if you're using Notability or similar apps. Method 1. Convert your handwritten notes into text. Copy the text. Then tap the time slot to pull up the calendar composer and paste. This method works for apps that support handwriting to text conversion. If you're using Noteful, which doesn't currently support this feature, you can use Method 2 instead. Method 2. Pull up the calendar composer first. Type in your event details there. Copy the text. And then paste it back into your planner. If you prefer your planner to still look handwritten, here's a helpful tip. You can set your default font to a handwritten style font like this one. There are plenty of great free options out there, and I previously made a separate tutorial on how to install fonts on your iPad. I'll link it in the description. Now let's look at how this works on a Samsung tablet. The idea is the same. Method 1. Convert your handwritten notes into text. Copy. Then tap the time slot to pull up the calendar composer and paste. Method 2. Tap the time slot to open the calendar composer first. Type your event details. Copy them. Then go back to your planner. Add a text box and paste. If you want the text to look handwritten, you'll need to change the font in your device settings. You can't adjust it directly inside the app. Because of that, I recommend using Method 1 on Samsung tablets, as it's much simpler. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing. It really helps us continue making practical digital planning tutorials. Thank you so much for supporting 4 Little Lines. I'll see you in the next video.